a scientifically proven method to manage your pain by yourself. Introducing you to a unique meditation technique called pain meditation. Let's start. Whether you have any kind of pain, acute, chronic, any area of body, stress-related pains, or post-operative pains, the goal of this meditation technique is not to relieve the pain completely, but to get to know it and learn from it so you can manage it. Before we start, Kabat-Zinn advises practicing the exercise every day for 45 minutes. Even if it seems boring or doesn't seem to be helping, you don't have to like it, you just have to do it. Stress reduction expert Jon Kabat-Zinn recommends this exercise as the best form of mindfulness meditation for pain conditions. Link to evidence of this technique is provided in description. Lie on your back or in any comfortable outstretched position. You can keep a pillow below knees.
Close your eyes and focus on your breathing. Feel your belly expanding gently when you inhale and receding when you exhale. Once you catch with your breathing after a few minutes, start from getting your focus on your left foot. Feel any and all sensations in this area, including pain. You just have to feel whatever is going on in the left foot without making any judgment, just like you are only watching. Your mind will surely wander around, and many thoughts might come over and distract this. When your mind wanders, observe where it has gone, and gently return your focus to the foot without judging yourself. If you notice pain, acknowledge it and any thoughts or emotions that accompany it, and gently breathe through it for a while. See if by carefully observing the discomfort, you can help your body to relax. Don't expect the pain to get resolved. Just watch it with a mindful but non-judging mind. Remember, in between when your mind wanders, observe where it has gone and gently return your focus to the foot. After a while, gradually, let go of the focus on your left foot completely. Even if any pain there hasn't gone away or has intensified, just let go and shift your focus upwards, maybe towards your ankle or knee. Repeat the same process. Focus on the next area above it. Feel any and all sensations in this area, including pain. Just observe the situation there without being judgmental. After a while, again let go of that area and move upwards towards the next area. Practice this throughout the body with the same process. The whole meditation should be done for 45 minutes every day. This technique rewires your brain towards pain sensations and neutralizes the emotions, thoughts associated with it, bringing serenity and ability to cope up with pain. Sometimes the pain might disappear completely, and it might work magically for some patients. Do try this technique and let us know your feedbacks in the comment section. Thanks for watching.